That bootstool is small, but it's really heavy. What's the problem?
Neighbor cat was here.
Hello. Pee-pee. Okay. And coming in 190 watts from solar panels into battery. I have a fever, coughing and strong headache. Guys, it's around 1 month when I last recording, and I have a pretty rough month. I was ill, I have COVID, and I'm still tired, I'm still coughing, but go every day, go better and better. Guys, let's go try and make some video. Last how I live here, I clean walls with pallet wood, but we have a lot of nails here. I will cut now that nails and then I can start install that gypsum boards. Here's one more. Guys, I cut most of the nails from the walls. I have few screws there, but now was everything nice. No more nails. Before was, guys, a little bit dangerous. If you hit nail, it will be not good. Saw is the best for like work like this. This here was for metal. Whole house a little bit hanging in that direction. That means I will try to push house back. Okay, I push now complete house a little bit there. But if I remove now, this house will go back. I must secure now. Next week, guys, I will get new animal, new pet, and I'm really curious if you will guess in comments what I will get. I will not tell you. You will see in next video, next Sunday. Guys, yoo-hoo! It's perfect, guys. I will wash on 30 degrees Celsius and will be 90 minutes. And everything is from the sun. In this part here I will have workbench because all the time I will have sun from south will come like inside, and that is perfect place for workbench. And I will continue now with frame for dry wall. I must make a frame and then I will screw drywall. That here is 90 degrees and that here is 45 degrees. I hope I measure everything correctly. Here we are, guys. That will be my new workshop. Guys, here I will make all projects for house. If you wanna support that channel, I can make more videos with you like this, then link is in description. Felix von Appen, he say, love your videos. Thank you, Felix, very much for this donation. Felix, you have cool name, Felix von Appen. Guys, thank you very much for watching and I will catch you in next one. You.